Welcome in, everybody. So I wanted to make a video being really transparent about the Section 3 violation from Amazon that I had recently received. So what is a Section 3? Basically, it is your Amazon account being deactivated, and there can be a various number of reasons why this can happen. Mine happens to be they claim that my inventory is inauthentic. However, I have all the invoices that I have bought the inventory with. Everything is very authentic. Basically, just have to work through this issue. But I wanted to kind of break this down because there seems to be kind of iffy information out there as far as the Section 3. A lot of people don't know what it is, how it happens, what the kind of the work through is. So I want to break that down. First of all, this is the email that I got from Amazon. Uh, Came home from my 9 to 5 one day, took a nap, and later literally woke up to this email that my account had been deactivated with zero warning. I did have the account health assurance. Apparently, that was pretty worthless. Didn't really apply to this situation. But you can see here, it literally just says your Amazon account has been deactivated. Your listings have been removed in accordance with Section 3. We are withholding funds in your account, which really sucks. And then they're also holding my inventory, which I can't remove or sell at the moment. It's just sitting in their warehouses. I will say this has been a super stressful event, for the time being. It's been about 2 weeks since I got this notice, and I've been, working through it diligently since then. Um, but I wanted to go over a little bit more information in this email. Yeah, so we have taken this measure because we have concerns about the authenticity of the items listed at the end of this email. I'm not going to go into specifics of what the ASIN is or what the units are. I will say that it is one specific product that they're pointing out. But something that I didn't really, I thought was the case before I had gotten this Section 3 violation. Um, if you buy a big chunk of inventory, like say you buy 500 units of something and you sell through that inventory, you're not off, free from any sketchy situation that you may have gotten involved in. I've done everything by the book. Everything is very authentic. So it kind of sucks that I've fallen into this situation. However, um, Amazon seems to be able to retroactively go back through your inventory of stuff that you've sold in the past and hit you with a Section 3 or a violation on that inventory. Because this ASIN that they are pointing out, I actually haven't sold in about the last 6 months. So that really sucks. This is an item that I had kind of forgotten about. I didn't really think it was an issue at this point. But they have gone back through my inventory from months prior and brought this back into life, I guess. Never had a problem in the past. I never had any inauthentic complaints on the product. I really don't know why this would happen. I don't know if it's an error or what. But it is what it is. This is where we're at, here now. I have submitted a couple appeals myself. Those have not gone great so far. I've been denied twice so far. I do have a professional on board at this point, and he is basically helping me write up appeals and get all my documentation in a really organized manner. Um, so no status update as of yet for the Section 3. I just kind of wanted to clear the air, show what an email looks like as far as the Section 3, what the process is. Some people do say that you have to do a video interview with Amazon. They did not request that from me. They basically wanted me to submit documentation as far as the product that I had bought. So I've submitted all that. I'm literally in a waiting game with Amazon. I've already been on the phone with them multiple times. Their system does seem to be somewhat lacking as far as verification of the documentation. I think just because it is automated, I'm pretty sure. I think they just scan your documents through like a AI scanner or something. So it's not super accurate. I don't really honestly believe that a human is looking at this stuff unless it somehow bypasses those safeguards, I guess. Um, but it is a waiting game at this point, and yeah, I'll post an update once I do get something. However, there's not much I can do at this point. I know there's been a lot of this going around lately. Other sellers have been reaching out to me saying that they're getting the same thing, or other violations, brand reviews, that kind of thing. I also have heard that from, I guess, legal teams and other people in the community. Apparently, Amazon does do this on, it seems like, a yearly basis. They kind of clear out their sellers or clean stuff up, I guess, before Q4, before Christmas rolls around, which does make sense. It just really sucks when you get hit with something like this when you didn't actually do what they're saying. But hopefully we'll be fine. I will certainly post updates once I do get my account back. I'm pretty confident that that will happen. I just don't know how long it will take. And yeah, I'll keep you all posted. And once I do get an update, I'll certainly make another video on that, kind of explaining, what worked, how we were able to win the appeal, or whatever outcome does come from it. I'll keep you posted.